How to export Spotify playlist. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Explore page over here. On this page, go over to the bottom panel and tap on your library. Then, you need to select any of your favorite playlist. Once you're in, you need to tap on these three dots over here. Then, from the available options, scroll through and find the option that says Share. As you can see, there are many options to share this music. Here, I will copy the link. You can also choose from any of these other options, such as you can just put the song in your Insta story, send it to a friend on Messenger, or send it over on WhatsApp. Spotify has this easy way of sharing in the social media platforms. So, by following these easy steps, you can export your Spotify playlist.